What's good, fam? Welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new, but today we are going to do something real simple and easy. So, if you have not watched the video to where I unboxed this light and I unboxed these nail wraps, go ahead. I'm going to leave it up in the eye in the upper right hand corner as well as in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check out that video. So I've only showed a couple of nails of how to do the gel X method because I have a previous video. I'll leave that linked as well on how to do the gel X method. I am using the pop off method, so I'm not going to be keeping the nails on. And so you're going to need to practice how much gel you're going to put in there. So I'm using the Beetles nail glue, and it's going to take a little bit of time. You may get some spillage. If you do, I'm showing you how I clean it up with this 5-in-1 like extra fine bit. Y'all, let's get into these nails, y'all. This is something else. This was something else. All right. So, as you can see, these are some Gel X almond shaped nails. In the previous video, I had unboxed like this nail lamp. I unboxed the nail wraps and all of that, right? So I was going to use these nail wraps for these nails, and yeah, this is supposed to be something that was really simple. Now, remind you, I actually purchased these nail wraps from Five Below. And I've been doing nails for almost 4 years now, and I have never used nail wraps. These nail wraps were a little bit weird, so you can tell like which nail they're supposed to go on. I would assume this would be great for natural nails and not nail tips. So as you can see on my thumb, I went on ahead and changed the shape because it didn't go all the way down. I'm showing you here that they don't fit sidewall to sidewall, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it later. So these particular nail wraps, y'all, they are kind of thick. And I was on the phone with my sister. I was on FaceTime with her while I was doing these nails, and we just talking and all of that. So she gave me an idea on how to fix the nails. She does nails too, but that's a whole nother story. If y'all want to hear more about her, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. And that's kind of how I got started on nails. But y'all, I did a whole nail story that's also on my channel. You can go and check that out as well. So on this first nail, y'all, just getting back to the nails, I put this sticker on kind of crooked. I didn't actually show how many times that I actually took this sticker off, moved it around. It's actually like a gel nail wrap, but anyway, it's a sticker. I moved it around a couple of times and all of that. It still was sticking to the nail, but of course, like with the nail dust, I didn't want to risk it too much. So once I found its placement, I'm just using the end of my tweezer that has like that little rubber foot on it to push this down into the nail. And these were kind of tricky. Would I ever use these again? Absolutely, probably fucking not. I probably will never use these again. They were not, it wasn't given. So while I'm on the phone with her, I'm like, okay, I'm tired of filing the nail wraps to try and fit the nail. So I'm going to try some acetone. Now, it didn't really even melt it off. I was trying to work smarter, not harder. And it still didn't work. I needed to actually still file this off like the instruction says. Also, with filing these, I wouldn't go like in the up and down motion. So you're gonna see that like when I was filing off the excess of the sticker, going in that up and down motion is going to like lift the sticker. It was a mess. So file in one direction, I ended up changing the whole shape of these nails, y'all. Look at me struggling trying to like melt this off because I was sick and tired of that file, and it was a mess. So but anyway, I decided that yeah, I need to file. Filing was faster, and I ended up changing the whole shape of the nail. My sister was on the phone laughing. She was like, not that you ended up changing the whole shape of the nail. I'm like, Yeah, because it didn't really fit, and I don't really like almond, but I try my best to do different shapes and stuff on the channel. So if you want to see different shape nails, or if it doesn't matter to you, let me know that in the comment section as well, just so that I am aware of what type of videos you want to see. Again, if there's any type of nail designs or anything that you have in mind, you could always comment that. I do read my comments, or you can send me a DM on Instagram and I will get right on it. Yeah, but I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. There's not a whole lot to explain here. But I did end up doing a matte top coat over the nails. I want to mention this. I also like cured this for 60 seconds with no top coat just to see what happens. No, it's just like these particular ones from Vibe Below is just like a sticker. It is what it is. They didn't get hard. No, nothing happened when I stuck it in the light for the 60 seconds without the top coat. It didn't get hard. It didn't shine better. Nothing happened. So it's basically like a big decal. Now, I don't know if I would try any additional nail wraps. Maybe later on down the line I might. But anyway, I'm going to finish up the design, reshaping the nails, going in with a matte top coat before I go in to fix all these gaps on the nails. If there's like, if you guys have like any other questions or anything like that, let me know that as well. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not, honey. What are you doing? Nah, just playing. But yeah, subscribe though. Let YouTube know that y'all like the content that I bring. And I'm gonna let y'all watch this. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop.